Welcome to One Kanji a Day. In just 2 minutes, you'll learn one Japanese character. Let's begin. Here is today's kanji. It is read mizu or sui in many words. Take a good look at its shape. This character means water. It has 4 strokes. Inside words, it often sounds like sui. On its own, it is usually mizu. It is a stream of water with droplets splashing off to each side. Now, let's write it. 4 strokes. Follow the numbers on screen in order, slowly. Let's see it in real words. Suiyoubi, suiyoubi means Wednesday. Suidou, suidou means tap water. And omizu, omizu means water. A quick tip so you don't mix it up. Look closely at these similar kanji. Meek, red key, tree. Koori, ice. Notice the small differences. So that's mizu, water. 4 strokes read mizu or sui. Try writing it 5 times today.